For concept 3, question B, we're going to be asking a question about the function f of x. It's another absolute value function. Now, the question itself is going to ask us to test 4 different possible inputs for f to see which one has the smallest value as an output. So we essentially just have to test each one. Let's start with the first one. The first one is f of -9, which means we're going to plug -9 into the function and we're going to see what comes out. Again, remember that when you're plugging into the function, it really doesn't matter what's happening on the left. It's that right-hand side where the actual math is happening. So we're going to plug into the bars -9 minus 2 and then plus 6 afterwards. Now, inside those bars, -9 minus 2 is going to be -11 plus 6. -11 in those bars comes out to be +11. 11 plus 6 should be 17. It's not a small number, but it could be an answer, so I'm just going to jot down next to that choice 17, and then I'm going to try the next choice. We're going to eliminate choices as we go to see if we can land on the one that's the smallest. Now, let's try choice 2. That's going to be f of 0. Again, that means we plug 0 into the x spot in the function. So that's absolute value of 0 minus 2 plus 6. 0 minus 2 is -2. Absolute value of -2 is +2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Already we found something smaller, so we know that choice 1 is definitely not an option for us. Let's keep testing. Option 3 is f of 3. That means in the bars we have 3 minus 2 plus 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1. And 1 plus 6 is 7. Even smaller this time. So now I found an answer even smaller. That means choice 2 is out. Last one to test, choice number 4. Just to make sure, this is f of 7. Again, that means 7 goes into the bars. 7 minus 2 plus 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. Absolute value of 5 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So it didn't come out to be any bigger, which means 7 appears to be the one that answers the question. The value that has the smallest overall output should be f of 3.